you today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kat, and I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I'm new here too. This is my very first ever YouTube video. I don't have a camera. I don't have a microphone. I don't have a tripod. I have nothing. I have no lighting. I have no setup. We are completely 100% winging this, but don't worry. I am confident that we will get through this together. Confidence is key. I think that's the saying. So what does one make their very first YouTube video about? What better to make it about than my only hobby in this lifetime, online shopping. All of the pieces that I'm going to be showing today are from Revolve, and I'll link them down below. But guys, when I tell you, I was literally shook at the discounts that I got from this website, guys. I got $595 worth of stuff for $125. So the only issue with their sale items was that they are final sale, which means I can't return them. So we're hoping that all these clothes fit and that my very first YouTube video runs smoothly. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I ordered these online and they honestly came really fast. They came in about 2 days. So I actually ordered a lot. I got almost 8 full outfits worth of stuff. So let's go on to the first item. So the first piece that we have here is just this black denim overall dress. I feel like this is like very city vibes. Just like wear this like going out with your friends, like going out to like brunch or something like that. I'm hoping it's not too short because I'm 5'8", so we'll have to see how that goes. Okay guys, so we are feeling snug as a bug in this dress. It is a little bit short, it's like can't bend over or anything, but you know, in the summer anything goes, honestly. Next we have this. I bought it literally because I am a sucker for like Valentine's Day and like love and stuff, and like it is nowhere near Valentine's Day, but I just was like, this would be so cute if someone like took me out on like Valentine's. Yes, I'm single, okay, whatever, I don't go on dates, but you know, maybe if like my girls took me out for Valentine's Day, whatever. So I could wear this. Like, it's so cute for like the season. It's not the season right now, but when the season comes, I'll be ready. Look how cute! I love it! Oh my gosh, like I am like so fancy, so girly. Like, she's feminine, she's chic. It fits so well, a little bit too well, if I might add. So if you guys are gonna order this one, I would honestly size up a little bit. But look how cute it is. We love her. So the next piece we have, guys, is a little bit out of my comfort zone. This is very like Instagram baddie-esque. It is biker shorts and this little tube top deal. I don't know how this is gonna go. This is definitely not what I usually would go for, but I saw it and it was like, I don't know, $12 or something. So I just had to pick it up and we're gonna try it on and see if we don't look stupid. I actually really like this one, guys. Like, I don't know, like I really feel like one of those Instagram baddies right now. I mean, not my personality at all because I act like this, but you know, other than that, like if I don't talk, I feel like I can pull it off. Like, what do you guys think? Like, super cute. We love her. I, for this one, would not recommend sizing up. This has a lot of stretch in it, so you can fit all your goods in here, but for the dresses, I would definitely recommend sizing up. I cannot stress it enough. I am squeezing into all of them and trying to breathe, and it is difficult. But this one, I can do so much breathing, like all the breathing I want. So we love that. Pair it with this little denim jacket and some heels, and you're ready to go be an Instagram buddy. Okay, so the next thing is, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at the back here. That is adorable. We love that. I didn't know it was strapless. Oh wait, no, it's not. Found the straps. This is adorable. You can wear this literally anywhere. Like, imagine wearing this to just like a little art museum, like walking around on like a date with like a boy, if a boy liked me. So cute. We'll try it on. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Guys, I have like everything. Animal print, cheetah print, leopard print. My name is Kat, so it fits the brand. This is like green, so it's a little bit different. It has an open back situation going on. So cute. This would be like so perfect for the summer. It feels so soft. It's like such a good material, and we got it for cheap, so what's not to love about that? Guys, when I was talking about the deals that I got, this dress was originally $138. I went to the clearance section because I'm poor, and I got this bad boy for $18. I'm crying. Amazing. This is the next piece that we have. Like, it has this little slit here, like adorable, maybe some extra leg. Honestly, like with everything in this, I would have sized up for like this one and like the other dress especially. Like, these are a little bit tight, so I would recommend if you're gonna shop on Revolve, go up one size. I think this is so cute. It is sparkly, and if you know me, you know that I love sparkles. I literally have an email address from like 4th grade. It was catlovesparkles at like Gmail or something like that. Hilarious. So this is right on brand for me. This was sold as like a dress, but honestly I think this is like, I'm gonna use this as a beach cover up and just like throw on a bathing suit underneath it, like a little bikini, like cute black 2-piece under it. Guys, this is so cute. We love her. Look at all the sparkles everywhere. It's so cute. It actually is see-through, but I just threw on a bathing suit under it and you're good to go. And then, yeah, if you could like wear this down in Miami or something whenever the coronavirus is over and everyone goes back to going on vacations and like going on spring break and stuff, sip on some mimosas, you know, if you're of age, of course. I'm not promoting underage drinking, ladies, but yeah, we love this. Super cute, sparkly, love it. Okay, so here we have like a little olive green army type of vibe. Yeah, this is like just like a cute little 2-piece set. I love stuff like this because it's just like such an easy outfit. You don't have to think about it. You just throw it on and it's a full outfit and it matches because it's the same exact color. So this one is super cute. It's like casual but like girly at the same time. And it's like a little dress, but you can like sew it with sneakers to like dress it down. You can probably dress this up too, but I just see this as more of like something you could wear casually out to like a baseball game or something like that. I just love the color of this, like super cute. I think the color of it, of like olive green, is like a neutral, but it's like a fun neutral. So it's like if you want to wear like a neutral, but you want to have like a little spice in your life, this is like the color you wear. Okay, did not know that this was going to be see-through, but you can definitely see my hand through this, so we're gonna have to put on a situation underneath. But other than that, this is really cute. It's gonna tie in the front. This is the first thing that I have that's not a full outfit. The other ones were like dresses and like little sets and stuff. So I'll probably just put this with like jeans to try it on. But we're gonna have to figure out what the situation is for underneath because I did not know that it was see-through. Okay, so I really like this fabric. It's really interesting. It's like velvety, but also sheer at the same time. Kind of unique. Since it's sheer though, I did have to keep my bathing suit on with it. But if I was like gonna actually wear this out and about, I would definitely have to figure out a better solution for that. But I think for the video's sake, this is good. I just tied it in the front here. It's a little bit low, so you could probably like wear something under this if you wanted to make it a little bit more, you know, classy. Also, because this is long sleeves and also short and like sheer, just like all the different things that are going on with it, you could probably take this into any season you wanted to. You could take it into the winter and like wear it with a nice big fuzzy jacket over it and like cuddle up and drink some hot cocoa, or you could wear it in the summer if it was like a more chilly day and just like pair it with some like little shorts and like go out and about throughout your day. But yeah, we love this and it's really versatile and super cute. All right, so after trying everything on, I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts. When it comes to the dresses, if you guys actually go and order any of these, I would definitely recommend sizing up. They were a little bit snug. If you're going for that look, great, love that for you. If you don't like breathing, great, definitely order the sizes I did. But however, you have the foresight that I did not. So I would definitely recommend ordering a size up so that you are able to eat. And then whenever it comes to the 2-piece sets, they're a little bit stretchier. They're a little bit like easier to adjust just because they aren't like sewn together or whatever. So you're able to like put them where you want them. I would just keep the same sizes that I got, like get your regular sizes. But honestly, everything turned out pretty well, and especially for the prices, like you can't beat that. I got almost what, $600 worth of stuff for $130. Like that's such a steal. So at the end of the day, I think we did a pretty good job and I would consider this a successful haul. Okay, so I'm also gonna do a giveaway today. This is my very first YouTube video and I'm doing a giveaway. Like I don't even know, like, so this dry shampoo company, Collab, sent me over these dry shampoos. They smell so good. All of their dry shampoos are cruelty-free, they're vegan, and look at how cute the packaging is. It is so bright and colorful, very fun to use, they smell great, and I will put the details for how to enter this giveaway down in the description box. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!